My name's Andrew Cope, and I'm an arthritis doctor at King's College London. One of my roles is as chairman of the Clinical Research Subcommittee of the EULAR Research Centre. This initiative is called ENTRI, which stands for EULAR Network of Clinical Trials Centres. And the idea here, following the lines of providing capacity and research infrastructure, is to provide a trials network across the European communities to support research in rheumatic diseases. The idea is to invite centres from across the EU to provide evidence of their expertise in the areas that they work in, so that we can establish a large database of trial centres who are willing to participate in either small experimental medicine studies, to participate in studies of rare diseases, but also to undertake larger clinical trials, perhaps phase 3 or even phase 4 studies. The network is for investigators in the clinical academic sector, as well as our colleagues and partners in the pharmaceutical industry and contract research organizations. And the idea is that any investigator could access the database, put in a particular rheumatic disease, and then identify a large number of centers who have the expertise in the patient cohorts with a potential interest of participating in these studies. On the experimental medicine side, we are keen to include additional competencies which could range from imaging, blood sampling and processing, synovial biopsies, lymph node biopsies, that would provide opportunities for investigators to undertake smaller scale studies where they could drill down and understand much more about molecular and pathogenic pathways in the context of an intervention. This network will provide us opportunities to engage patients to participate in more research. And also we hope for patient experts to have opportunities to input into trial design setup, and also teach us a little bit about recruitment and retention. So watch this space and watch out for the call for applications to become a member of ENTRI.